Baby.
Yes, hon?
Hello.
Hi.
Can you hear that?
Can I hear what?
The fan.
Yeah, just a little bit though. It doesn't bother me.
Hey, cause like, it's almost cold enough to where I like it. I like my skin feeling chilled.
God, you really are a vampire.
I like it being cold on the outside and then warm on the inside.
You're weird. You're like an Eskimo. No, you are an Eskimo.
I don't live in an igloo.
No, but you do have the habits of one.
Oh, do I?
Yeah.
Ouch. My ass hurts.
Sorry about that.
Oh,
I was a little too rough, I guess.
yes, you look like me.
Yes, I will be. Is that a request?
Yeah.
Or is it a demand? Zillion did 9/11.
Time fly like an arrow. Fruit fly like banana.
Time flies like an arrow. Fruit flies like bananas.
I love Silly.
Yeah, why don't you just marry him?
I would, but his dick is small.
Yeah, why do you think that's the case? That man is old as fuck.
Yeah, I kind of wilted away over the years.
Yeah. My mouse turned off.
Uh-oh. Chrissy,
Yeah,
I love you.
I love you too. What was that?
What? I squealed.
Why?
I thought you were gonna kill it.
Why would I kill it? Now you're just hiccuping. Love you.
Oh, you too.
Oh, you got the hiccups. Come here, bitch. I'll take that.
Perfection isn't good enough.
Perfection isn't good enough. Oh crap. Oh boy. I forgot how much those axes hurt.
Honestly,
I never heard you with hiccups before.
Happiness is a warm gun.
I hate this.
Touch your heart.
Oh, damn it.
You're so cute.
Watch your puppets dance.
Yes!
Ah!
I love you. I love you so fucking much.
Let's
Can I
Babe.
make a fight?
No,
Please.
I want to hear you hiccuping.
I don't like
It's
it.
so cute.
atmosphere.
Good job.
How can we make this better?
Bitch.
I think you need to drink some water.
I am.
They will dance. They will sing.
An enemy has been slain.
Onward. Shall transcend.
Oh, hello.
Places, everyone.
I think she's baiting for Draven. He's coming back.
Sympathy is so boring.
I don't have any mana, so yeah, I'm leaving. Babe, are you okay?
No.
Death
How does
should
that
never be
happen?
quick. It should be enough.
How are you getting hiccups? So cute. Feeding time.
My hand
No, you're not
justifies
muting your
all
mic.
means.
Oh, so badly.
No. You know what would be nice? They made Jin's
Oh my god.
reload a little faster.
Slain.
There is nothing for me but this.
Oh, hi, Liana.
Oh,
I love you.
thank you. Oh. Do you want to kill her?
Yeah.
Sublime.
Why is she getting it?
Yes.
Well, we couldn't stop her from getting the mark.
Yeah, I know. She died.
Each bullet is
On.
a piece of my soul. Each shot is a piece
An
of
enemy
me.
has been slain.
Going this way. Should we kill her? Okay.
Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Let's go get him. Go the other side.
Death is certain, but killing doesn't have to be ugly.
She's coming. And you weren't even cooking.
Sweet sadness is
Oh, what? Do you have ult?
Oh, I'm almost there.
this art is
I'm gonna die.
The Doge don't die. destroyed a turret. I love you.
I do.
It should go away after a while.
I've fixed before.
Inspire me. Stop me.
I know, but just to make you feel better.
Why is this entertaining?
It's cute. Susan, get the fuck in there. Right there, we're going after Kindred.
Needs more zazz.
Target marked.
All better? Nope.
Double kill.
Damn, these people suck.
I want to feel everything. The gun makes
I love
it,
you.
so I do. I will make you famous.
Come here, come here.
How did I get that?
The hiccups.
You can't talk, otherwise it's gonna set off your hiccups, isn't it? I love it, it's so cute.
Rampage.
Love you. My Chevy.
Your life has
Die. No. I'm going. Go, 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 go. Legendary.
Everyone is watching.
that delightful moment before the curtain goes up.
I love you. I love you. Ali.
Rapid
I love
fire?
you.
Where's the drama in that?
Somebody once told me the world was gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed.
I must wait until the composition is perfect.
She was looking kinda dumb. Let's see if he'll do the other part. Oh fuck.
Don't worry. There's clean up peels here. Killed the clock. Great.
Behind every mask is another mask.
You fight so first. Bye, Squirrel!
What do you think his goal was?
Die.
Understood. Smile. The ecstasy of opening night. Just
Why? You. No! What?
Destroyed a
Sorry, I didn't have heal for you, babe.
Okay. I think. Oh. I didn't want to knock her away. I need to steal another kill.
Are they gone?
I must be perfection.
I don't know. I keep feeling them coming up, but I'm fighting.
Wonderful.
Rape is illegal.
To the audience, do I show my true face?
Here comes Scarl. Scarl's coming back.
No! Careful.
I know, I assume.
You will not die alone. Like this, a void will find them.
The ecstasy.
Oh, the baby.
My baby?
Fire.
Did you just call me my baby?
You are my baby.
ally has been slain.
Babe, babe, babe.
Let me get him. Let me get him. Let me get him. Until he's coming up, I'll get him. Oh! That's not fair. What? Dead?
Thanks, Kindred.
Every element must be in place.
Is he like, oh,
Yeah, I loved it.
I pushed them? No. I would have done it sooner, but I didn't have enough.
Well, you know what?
What?
I'm still alive, right?